Hello, Kinder Prep friends. It's Miss Jen, and today I have the pleasure of reading a story to you. Do you remember Miss Carla's talking about hibernation and bears? I have a story. Bear Snores On. The author is Karma Wilson. She wrote all the words. Jane Chapman, the illustrator, she did all of the beautiful artwork and pictures for this book. So you ready to hear about Bear? Let's come along on this adventure. Let's see what Bear's gonna do as he snores on here. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. So how about we put Brown Bear deep in his cave so he can sleep good. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. So how about Mouse? You think Mouse should join him in there? We'll put him right there. There's Mouse. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dark, too dank. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. I think he'll keep warm now. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Let's check. Yep, he's still snoring in there. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And Hare hops in. Here comes Hare to join him. He's hopping in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Look at his teacup there. So we have Mouse and Hare. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. Oh my goodness, Hare. But the bear snores on. Yeah, he's still sleeping in there. A badger scuttles by. Sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share," he asks. Let's see. Let's add Mr. Badger in the cave. There he is. "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." I think Badger's hungry. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. Let's see again. Yep, bear's still sleeping. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Let's add gopher. Let's add the little mole. There they go. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. They are birds. Raven flutters in. And wren, that's a very teeny bird. He flies in too. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. Yep, bear's still sleeping. He doesn't hear them making all that noise and eating and having fun. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire. That means he's keeping it going. Mouse seasons the stew. They're making some soup. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo. He blows and he sneezes, achoo, and the whole crowd freezes. The animals are kind of shocked that the brown bear woke up. Let's see what's gonna happen. And the bear wakes up. He gnarls and he snares. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You think Bear's upset he woke them up, Kinderprep friends? Maybe so. You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping. I have had none, says the bear. He whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Oh no. Bear's sad, he missed all the fun. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. They're gonna share with Mr. Bear. Bear gulps and he gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. That means now Bear is telling them stories. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. Mr. Bear is awake now, but all his friends have full bellies and they're ready to take their naps. So did you like that story, Kinderprep friends? I hope you did. I enjoyed reading it to you. I miss you all and I hope to see you soon. Bye.